Today is March 24th. This is the 1967-1968 Cadillac steering wheel that has been restored for my friend Donnie in New Jersey. This is the 2-year design style with the radial line treatment as opposed to the wood grain, which didn't start until 69. So 67 and 68 is the radial line, much thinner wheel ring design used from 67 and 68. This is the 3-star horn pad, spring loaded, 3 position. You can press it anywhere. And this has also been restored. The horn pad is beautiful and the vinyl is very rich, and the emblem is beautiful. And this includes the silver inlay on the horn pad, very, very hard to replicate. And it also includes the nearly impossible to restore silver ring on the outer perimeter of the wheel. So this is the 1967-1968 black Cadillac steering wheel and horn pad for my friend Donnie in New Jersey. Thank you very kindly.